Hello and welcome back to Lunch at the Market. Whew, what a market we have today. We hope you are not out there getting giddy and buying everything in sight. The only move we've really made today, other than bail out of our PZA, was to grab several hundred shares of GM. We did almost nail Jim Cramer's $35 price target. We got within 0.9 of 1 penny of $35. We're happy with what we have now. If you were super quick and following us on Twitter, then you got your shot under 35 when we sent out a message close to the open of the day. PZA is the Insured National Municipal Bond ETF from PowerShares. Now, we like the vehicle. It's a great way to do municipal bonds, but right now we are just not interested in taking losses on principal while all the selling in bonds is going on. Ultimately, and you can check out the article we wrote for the blog earlier in the week, but ultimately municipal bonds are getting thrown in there with longer term treasuries, and we really don't want to own anything that is getting looked at the same way. That being said, we do still like PGX and PCY in the high yield, not equity, not treasury muni universe. But both have high enough yields that we're going to need to see rates go up here significantly before investors need to swap out of them and into newer debt being issued at higher rates. So, GM, we like it at $35 or under. We'll look to trim or exit at $40 and wait for a pullback. We are long Ford January 2012, 15, and 22.5 calls, and we'll hold those until Ford sees $20 a share. We'll exit those trades at that point for what the market gives us at the time. Be on the lookout on Twitter for an exit. Other than that, it's nice to have both Nigerians hop on with us regarding SourceFire Inc., symbol FIRE, the provider of intelligent cybersecurity solutions for IT. They're in all sorts of markets, and the stock gapped down from 32 to 23, at which point we jumped in with both feet. We're looking for $30 as an exit. We'd like to see the stock trade up and fill the gap on a technical basis before we start looking for the exit. Short of those things, it's all about options expiration tomorrow. We're looking for most names to go worthless so that we have to save ourselves commission costs of having to pay to take the positions off the table. We have no significant concerns regarding the levels on any of these names. We'll be rolling the dice tomorrow after a huge run up today. We can take some things off the table for 2 cents. We may just do that so tomorrow is nice and clean. We did already roll Bank of America out yesterday, as it has shown little sign of getting back above $12, especially by tomorrow, so it was the right thing to do. We may add to the position on another down day and start selling 11.9 put spreads in BAC. AKAM and FCX are the names on our radar for December should we see another nice flush. Thanks for tuning in again today. Buckle up for OPEX tomorrow, and we'll see you then.